This should be your exit. Now, before anybody says anything, I'd rather hit the fence than to hit anybody else down the neighborhood. I didn't realize how small this yard was. Drove 60 miles out here and there was literally nothing. Well, 60 miles back up north and then to Oakland. In stock. Along with the Nevada State Athletic Commission, the chairman is Anthony Martin, the third, and the executive director is Bob. Oh, this is sick. Do you want that?
3328.
3328. V16 Del Sol. What we got here? What we got here, man? What we got here? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah. Hey. What up? What up? Little clubhouse.
You know, rain's not gonna stop us, guys.
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? But a little update here. These two bolts are completely broken off, the nuts on the back, and I'm gonna cut it open right now and bolt the traction bar down before we put the radius rods in place. Well guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we had one hell of a day. Well, in this case, the last 3 days of this video has been pretty hectic. We got some work done on the H22 CRX. We got some work done on Carry. I drove through different cities looking for parts in junkyards because this weekend was 40% off and selected items were cheaper than normal price. And obviously you guys seen earlier today, we scored a B16 transmission. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean all of that up. The GSR transmission I sold to Carry was supposed to be mated with the GSR motor I have right there, which is supposed to be for the coupe, but now I have a B16 transmission and I don't think it's gonna be too shabby with boost, but I'm gonna full send it. Then I'm gonna clean it up along with the engine, mate it together and get that ready for when the time comes. But we are done with the night. I am gonna close out this video now. By the time you guys see this, the key tag for last week winners should be shipped out already, so congrats to you guys once again. And because this is a new week, guys, we do have another giveaway. You guys know the rules. In this video and this video only, comment down below hashtag 4BP static giveaway 4. That's right, 4. We're going 4 weeks now, guys, and we still got a bunch of them to give out. So I picked up something yesterday, which you guys should be seeing in the next video, hopefully without physically seeing it, but you guys will figure it out once you see it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my weekend run around. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.